But then when I discovered coefficient, I was like, all right, this is how it should have been built.
Okay.
Whoever built that other one was, kind of just hacking it. But I loved that, all the way back then, I could like more easily select fields and reorder what fields I could pull into the sheet. So the sheet I pulled in was just a lot cleaner when I used coefficient. And then I used coefficient to be the basis of, I built a forecasting process in a spreadsheet. We weren't at a stage where I needed like a Clary or any of these tools that are out there now for sales forecasting. But I liked having the raw data on how much somebody's closed in a quarter and how much pipeline they'd had in a quarter next to what they're telling me their floor call and best case is. So very much a forecasting workflow. And I built like a really, decent enough spreadsheet that I automated ingesting all that information until that became your paywall. Then I was bad. I didn't pay you. I'm sorry. But I then would just run the updated numbers every week. And I had like, pipeline coverage ratios and things like that, like at a glance to see how well people were going to do based on what, they said they're going to do versus what I know to be the reality. Yeah, and I built my whole forecasting process in it again.